Hi, my name is Andrea. Welcome to my channel, and I'll be teaching you how to make a cross stitch bag. You can see these sell on Unit for $252, which is a little ridiculous, but I'll be showing you how to make it yourself at home using Amazon kit, which is right here, and here's some yarn for extra yarn. And in the Amazon kit, it comes with a white plastic square, which you see on the screen, and I am using a needle which comes with it. It comes with a plastic needle, but I'm using a metal one, which you can buy at Michael's or anywhere, any creative store. So all you're gonna do is just grab your yellow string and hold on to and pull it through from the back side of your plastic canvas, which you just saw me do. And I'm gonna hold on to that last one of the strings and pull until it matches up. And then I'm gonna start, which you see me already starting doing, start stitching. So what you're gonna do to stitch is you're always gonna start from the back. So you're gonna start from the back, and then you're gonna go back into the first square, which you see, which I did right now, and then you're gonna go back up again and go back into the first square that you just made a little stitch for, and then continue that process. So back up and then back into that little first square you just continued. See me doing that just right there? Yeah. Yep. And then you're gonna go, and I'm also counting the stitches that you see on the little Tweety bird, and all the little designs that I have for my stitch patterns, all the stitch patterns I got from Pinterest, and now I have a whole board created to stitch patterns that I found on Pinterest, and that will be linked below. And I just continue this process, just continuing.
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life.
And as you see, I'm leaving space for the different colors, like the eye. I work around it, just doing all the yellow first, and then I go back to the eye and the nose afterwards.
Direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear.
Okay, here you see me to start, like, I'm running out of the yellow yarn, as you can see. So what I do is I go from the bottom and hook it underneath and then cut it. And then, do the same process by getting more string, putting it through, and then pulling until they both match up, and then doing the same stitch method. I just use the same stitch method, which is going in from the bottom of the plastic canvas and then going out and then going up and then into the same stitch you did and going back out, and continuing that process of going up and down, up and down. And then as you see me, I believe I'm starting the nose, yes. And now I'm starting the eyes, so which is the blue, and just pulling it and then starting to do that.
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation, it felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention.
So here is all the creations of the stitch patterns I made with the little squares, and now I'm connecting them all together, which you see here. So when you connect them together, it's the same as just stitching up and down, but instead you're just stitching them together. So you're gonna just, here's a closer clam. So you're gonna go in from that part, then out, back out from this part, then in again, and back out. And you're always gonna start the same. So, you know, by pull, 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 getting your string, and then pull, pull, pull until they match up. That's how you start it all the time. And you're just going to continue this up and down motion until you reach the end of the square.
I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here.
And voila, you're finished. And what I like to do is just double it at the end to just complete it and have it set so it won't untangle. Now here, they're all connected all together. And voila, you did it. You connected them. So next, this is the bottom part of the bag. So what I did was just cut out a rectangular piece. Make sure it matches up with the side panel. So this is the side panel right here, which is 3 squares. So just match them up with the bottom piece so it can be all equal to your bag. And voila, you see me just doubling it up at the end again. Make sure it's on there tight, and then coming back underneath and then cutting it and cutting all the extras off. Voila. Okay, here I am just cutting out the piece of the handle, and you can cut the handle however you want your handle to be. And I cut out 2, well actually 4. I cut out 2 of these just to connect them together so they can be one long piece. And here I really wanted to put fabric in the inside of my bag so, you know, the stitchings won't show and all. And I don't have my sewing machine, so my hand sewing was a little sucky because, you know, I have nails on too, but yeah. So I'm just hand sewing it. You can use a sewing machine, or you can honestly just leave it without the fabric.
To just get out of here, I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control, baby, I know. I let you in too close, so baby, just go ghost.
So here is my favorite part. I'm connecting the side panels to the main part of the bag, you know, like the main part, which is the front face. So you're going to grab one front face of your bag and then one side panel, and you're going to connect them together to whatever liking of whatever yarn color you want. And you're just going to sew them, you know, just the up and down motion thing again. Go in from the bottom, pull, 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 go back in from the top, pull, 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 and then in from the bottom again. If I could do it, okay, and then pull, 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 and then the same. And you're gonna just keep this process going until you reach the bottom.
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, oh. And I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost.
So by now you should have both of your side panels connected to one of your main parts. Now here you see me connecting sizing up the bottom panel to the main part, and it should fit nicely with it, like sized up against it. So you're gonna just connect them just the same way you connected your side panels to your main part, exactly the same.
Let you in and 4 walls. Kept our secrets hidden, eating fruit so forbidden. Kept our secrets safe, cause the temptation, it felt like pure relation. I gave you my attention, but now it's hard to mention. I don't feel a spark when you say my name. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of
You're just
direction.
see, I already did it. I connected my side panel to, I'm gonna connect my side panel to the next main part, and you'll see that. Just connecting everything together. So just the side panel to the main part again.
If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, so baby, just go ghost. Ooh. Now baby, just go ghost. Ooh. I never wanted someone to disappear.
Okay, here I am just putting on the handle. I'm cutting off the extra we don't need anymore. And yeah. I also, for the very top of the back part, I add in yellow trimming. So just needling up and down for the top of the bag.
To disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close, too close. I never wanted someone to disappear, to just get out of here. I never wanted someone to take control. I let you take control. I let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost.
We did it, guys. We just made a bag. Look at that beauty. I have to say, I think it's cuter than the Unif bag. To me it is. I don't know. It's really nice. It's very colorful. You can do any pattern you want, whatever. It was really fun making this. I think I'm gonna actually start selling some and making a whole bunch because it's fun to do for me. I don't know, I really like doing it. It took about 2 months for me to do it, but that's because I was in the process of moving in school. So thank you for watching.